saw by the title, today I'm going to be surprising my brother with a PS5. You're currently just set on a pillow on my bed, so sorry if it's a little crooked, but I'm kind of in a rush. So as you guys know from the title and what I just said, I'm surprising my brother with a PS5 today. I'm so nervous, oh my god. My brother, like most guys, has been obsessed with video games since literally, like, from the earliest memories I have with him, like, he's been obsessed with video games. Noah wants the PS5 so bad. I knew he wanted it and I knew he was gonna want it, so ever since it launched on like November, I want to say it was the 11th, I might be wrong, but whatever day the PS5 launched, I was on the site, you know, obviously didn't get it because like so many people were on there, but I tried, and then from there I was on all of the other sites that were launching for the next like 2 weeks. So Walmart, Meijer, I think I was on a Target one. I was constantly checking like Pop Finder for like stock. Basically I've just been trying really hard to get this freaking PS5 and I have had no luck. I'm sick of it. So I just finally decided I'm gonna splurge. Someone that I know, when the mall opened yesterday for Black Friday, it opened at 5 a.m. Him and his friends were waiting outside before 5 and they were able to run inside. GameStop is like directly at the mall entrance. You walk in through like the front food court doors and then there's like a restaurant and then there's GameStop. So it's literally right there. So he and his friends sprinted to GameStop, got in line, were able to get a few PS5s and they posted on their story and I was like, oh my god, why wasn't I up at 5 a.m.? Why wasn't I running? Why wasn't I running into GameStop? And then a few hours later he posted like starting bid $950 and I was like, oh, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing with the PS5s. Okay. I think they were selling 2 of them. He sold one to this girl for like $1,100 and she bought it for her boyfriend. And literally all day yesterday I was texting him. Let me just bring you guys back to last night. I think I explained it, so I'm just gonna play that now. Hey you guys, so it's currently 1:09 a.m. Okay, so you just heard me explain how I've spent literally the past week and a half of my life. 2 weeks. When was the drop? Like, I don't know when the initial drop was, the 11th or something. So basically what happened is all night I've been texting this kid, all day I've been texting this kid, let me buy this PS5 from you. Literally, let me buy it. I will literally drop $1,000 on it right now. And he was like, all right, bet. Someone was like, 1,100, and I was like, literally $1,105. Give it to me and I promise I'll give you unlimited Instagram shoutouts, literally anything that you want. Come on, just, you know, sell it to me. And he was like, all right, yup, you can come get it tomorrow. I know this kid, so I know he's not about to like rob me or anything, so it's like a really like safe person to buy from, which I was really happy about because I could easily go on like eBay and meet up with some random person and get fucking murdered. And I was so excited. I even told Noah this whole story about how he sold it to his cousin and how like I wouldn't be able to get it and I really didn't want to pay the $1,300 from StockX or whatever. And Noah was like, it's totally fine, Bailey, like you tried your best, like I appreciate you for even like trying or considering spending that much and trying to like whatever. So I literally hyped it up so much by like lying to him and saying that I wasn't gonna get it because I was like, I'm dead ass about to get this PS5 tomorrow. Literally a few minutes ago, this kid texts me and he's like, hey, someone just offered me $1,300 for this. And I was like, bae, stop. Bae, you already promised me that I could come pick this PS5 up tomorrow between 1 and 2 p.m. So what is that all about? If she offers me $1,500, I'd still sell it to you. Bitch, I'm buying it. So basically this kid was like, sorry, it's not yours anymore, someone offered higher. And I was like, whoa, see, that wasn't the deal. I completely understand where he was coming from. Like, the more money the better. Anybody would get that. But the thing is, it just really pissed me off because I was so excited about it and I was so like, yup, I'm getting this for $1,100 tomorrow, I can't wait. And then he was like, yeah, so you can't actually have it anymore. And I was like, oh, great, that's exactly what I wanted. And I was like, dude, like I just don't know if I can spend $1,300 on a gaming console, you know what I mean? I just sent, if I say yes to $1,300, you have to actually promise you don't try to sell it to someone else for higher. If I wake up with a text tomorrow that tells me that I can't get this PS5, I will go beat some ass. So as you guys can see, I've gone through a lot for this and today is finally the day I'm going to pick it up. My dad went to the bank for me today and got $1,300 out. Are you allowed to like show money on YouTube? I've never done that. Oh my god. Why did I just ask if you can show money? And literally $1,300. This is the most cash I've ever held in my hand, I'm pretty sure. This one says Trump. Like I explained, I know this kid. Most of the time when you are buying things from people that cost this much money, like you'll go to like a public place to make sure you don't get robbed. However, I know where this kid lives. I know his family. His sister's in my grade. So if he tries to rob me, I don't think it'll end well for him. So I'm just gonna go to his house. I also don't think he's gonna rob me. I don't think. Maybe. That'll be a funny video. I got robbed. Okay. What? Let's go. I'm so excited. I'm gonna text Ryan and tell her that I'm ready. Okay, so we're at the kid's house. Is he gonna come out? I don't know. Is he coming out here? Am I going to the door? I'm not really sure what's going on. Oh my god. I'm gonna get murdered.
Hello?
Hey. Dude. There you go. Plug your Instagrams at all?
Jesse Steckling. Mine is just Brady Baker, I think.
Alright, well, I think. I'm pretty sure. Oh, thank you guys for making this possible.
No problem.
Oh, here it is. Just got her. So I was just trying to figure out how I'm gonna surprise Noah. My original idea was just have the PS5 sitting on my bed and then have him like come up to my room and just be surprised. I don't know. But he just got home and I think he might be like, I think his friends might still be I don't know. Like I don't really know. I haven't been home, and then he like went to eat. He's home and I don't know if he's upstairs. I don't know if he's in the living room. I don't know if he's in the basement. So I can't bring this into the house. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the PS5 on his windshield, or like set it on the hood of his car, and I'm gonna be like, dude, like Ryan was just trying to back out so she could like pull out straight, and she just hit your car, and like I don't know what to do. And then he's gonna like come running outside, and it's gonna be right there.
So mad at me.
It's gonna be so funny. So it just looks like that. So this is the door he's gonna come out of, and he's gonna see it like that. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm shaking. Is it coming?
No fucking way, really? Did you go get it from that kid? Yeah.
Wait, we need like a thumbnail.
Dude, I look horrible. Can I go shower?
No.
Look at me right now.
That's fine. Can't even see. You look the same.
Yeah!
Got it.
I knew it was a lie.
Prankster.
Like, Ryan's a bad driver, but not bad.
I was doing it.
Give me some.
Give me some sugar. Sugar.
Thanks for driving her. I got business to handle.
There she is.
Fuck, thanks.
I want to see it.
Come on.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Huh? No.
Alright, now you guys can leave.
Should I stop?
Wow. Never gonna be able to get that back in there.
No, prove to them how bad it is. I'm trying to tell them. Not much.
I'm confused, bro.
I'm taking out. What's it?
Nah.
Still?
Ankle, buddy.
He doesn't even like it. He wanted the Xbox 12.
Yeah, Loki did want an Xbox.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm kidding.
Basically, I explained my side of things on how I was trying to get it and how I went back and forth with this kid on like prices and stuff. Noah, let's hear what you've done for this.
Okay, every single drop for every single store. Target, Walmart, Sony. Actually, let me explain my Sony story.
Wait, everybody. Sorry.
Okay, let me explain my Sony story. The first night it dropped, I was waiting in this queue for like 3 hours with some friends, and one of my buddies was in front of me, so he got in first, like a minute before me. He clicks on the PS5, it says sold out. I'm still in line in the queue, so I'm like, shit, I'm not gonna get it. And then I get in, and it says buy now, like it was there, it was available. I click it, put it in my cart, go through my shipping stuff, buy it, spent the money, and then it got a confirmation email saying like, congratulations, you purchased this. Super happy, ran upstairs, told my buddies, and then the next morning, which I didn't see this, but like 7 a.m. the next morning, I got an email that said like, sorry, something happened with your order. We're gonna replace it with a PS4 Pro, 1 terabyte. Some just happens to be the exact same price as this, and they sent me that, and it was too late for me to cancel that order, so I was stuck with the PS4. I returned that, and now I have this because of you.
Yeah, because I just decided to do that.
Both of us, literally every single drop for every store, we were both on our computers, on our phones, trying to get it, but it just sold out. I don't know if, did you explain how it went?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just sold out instantly, and so much for getting it for retail, huh? Thanks, buddy. Thank you guys, actually.
Yeah, you're the only.
Without you guys, I mean, she'd be pretty lame.
Yeah, so my Venmo is in the description. Share this video with your mom and dad and sister and stuff. Watch the ads, please.
Click on the ads.
Click on the ads. Watch them and click on them.
Mm-hmm.
And then watch them again and click on them again.
And then, like, when you're bored later, watch the video again. And then share it with more friends. And just help her get her money back.
Yeah, and then
now she's poor.
And then when you're bored again, like
And then, like, when your friends are bored, tell them, like, watch it again.
Like, they text you and they're like, oh my god, like, what should I do? Like, you know a Netflix show to watch? You just send them the link to this video. And tell them to click on the ad.
Text your parents and be like, oh my god, I'm stranded, I need 20 bucks. And then just Venmo Bailey $20. It'll work out good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, why is this square all over my face? Not yours. I'm sweating. I'm so happy that I was sweating.
What? You're happy that you're sweating?
No,
or you're
I was so happy I started sweating.
Yup.
Here, Loki, this might be better thumbnail.
I don't think so.
Get one on the car, like it's sitting there and me like walking out like,
Oh my
think so?
god. I don't fucking know.
is this the kid? Can we send a video, bro? Thank you. Thank you, Jesse.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need a refund though, like 400 of those dollars, cause holy shit. Okay. I have the best sister in the entire world.
Yup, damn straight, you heard that. And now you can't be mean to
Thanks,
me for
buddy.
2 years. Oh, you're being mean. Ah!
It won't stop. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you... Bro, your arm is so stuck. I'm happy. What's that noise?
My turkey meatballs are digesting.
Good thing she bought it, because I got robbed at the bar last night. Yeah.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Is this the end of the video?
Redo it maybe? Because your hair was all fucked.
Hope you enjoyed it. I know Noah's reaction was super lame because...
How was I supposed to react? How do people normally? I just...
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright, cut to that
I'm
scene.
just gonna put...
Back to me. Oh my god.
Yep, start crying.
I love you.
Hey, go again.
What?
More emotion.
Okay.
More emotion. Oh my god! Start punching the car or something. Alright, cut. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. I love you. Thank you again. Please Venmo me, Cash App. I don't have Cash App. Venmo me. Okay, don't actually.
You could though, you could.
You definitely could.
I got robbed at the bar, you know, I was saying that I need some dollars. Yeah, my Venmo will be down there too.